welcome back to your kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious and flavorful dish, chicken with yogurt and spices. This recipe isn't only mouth-watering but also easy to prepare. If you enjoy making this amazing dish, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for more videos. Without further ado, let's get started. It's so juicy and flavorful. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned until the next video and have fun!